Bonjour tout le monde. Good morning everybody. Welcome to the class. In today's class we are going to do the topic of lesson 2 of your textbook. The topic is les parties du corps. The body parts. Corps means body and les parties means parts. Okay, the parts of the body. Okay, body parts, or we can say. Let's see. Now in front of you can see it's not your textbook pic. Okay, in the textbook you have a different picture and the labeling. Over there is there. I have for the explanation I have taken a different pic in front of you. Now over here you see in the French it is written, and then in the bracket in English it is written. Okay, so I will not be translating it since it's English it's written. I will be only concentrating on the French part. Okay, now the heading is over here mon corps. Mon means my, this means body, so my body. So we are over here discussing the parts of the body. The picture in front of you is labeled. Each body part is labeled. Okay, so let's see how we say each body part in French. Now before that, first of all, as we all know, the nouns are divided into masculine and feminine. So with each of the body part you can see definite articles are there. We have studied definite articles. Everybody is clear how we use definite articles? Masculine singular, feminine singular, singular noun starting with the vowel. Okay, so we use L apostrophe, and then the plural form les. Okay, so let's see the body parts. First is over here la tête. Okay, le cou, le visage, l'épaule. Over here you can see E is in vowel, so L apostrophe because it's a singular noun. If we say shoulders, so les épaules, then we put an S and we put LES. Since we are talking about single shoulder, so we are saying l'épaule. Le bras, le coude, la main, le ventre. Ventre is also called l'estomac. Estomac. Okay, in your book it might be written estomac. So ventre and or estomac. Okay, les doigts, fingers. Since we say fingers, we say les doigts in the plural form. Les, that the one I was talking about, when the body part is in the plural, we say les. Le genou, la jambe, le pied, and foot and the toe is called orteil. ORTEIL, orteil. Okay, l'orteil, where we put L apostrophe in front, L apostrophe ORTEIL, l'orteil. Okay, I hope the full body parts are clear. Now over here the thighs are called cuisse. Okay, it's not labeled over here, but it's called that. And chest is called poitrine. It's not labeled over here, but it's in your book it's there, so it's poitrine. Now see the face. The face is called visage, so this is le visage. Now we see the parties du visage, the parts of the face. Over here, les cheveux, since here is in plural form, so les cheveux, le front, l'œil. When we talk about single eye, over here it is written eye, so we say l'œil. When two are there, we say ear. Y-E-U-X. L-E-S. L-E-S is the article. Y-E-U-X. Ear. Les ear. Two eyes are called les ear. Okay. For single eye we say l'œil. remember it. In your book it's mentioned, so just mark it accordingly. L'oreille, le nez, la bouche, le menton, la joue, le sourcil. Okay. Since we see the major face parts, okay. Teeth are called teeth or tooth. We can say, if we say tooth, we say dent, and if we say teeth, for the teeth we say dents. We put an s. Les dents, okay. dents for the teeth. Les dents. It's not written over here, but it's dent. Now we have seen lama for the hands, so we will say the parts of the hands, the finger, how we say fingers and the thumb. The thumb is le pouce, l'index, le majeur, l'annulaire, l'auriculaire. Okay, these are they are talking about the different fingers, how we say index, middle finger, ring finger, and the smallest finger. Okay, now over here it is le grand orteil. I told you the toe is called orteil. We discussed in the body parts. Okay, so I hope everybody is clear about the different body parts. Just in your book also, just mark the meanings of each of the body part, and which are not here, and in your book I have discussed those also. Just write all the meanings of each of the body part in your book. Okay, I hope everybody is clear about all the body parts. Now learn them with the articles. Okay, we have definite article with each of the body part. Learn it with it, so that you remember it, which ones are masculine noun and which are feminine nouns. Okay, and learn them with respect to all the body parts with respect to your body. Physically put on the head, hand on the head, and say la tête, le cou. Okay, like that. Just remember, learn it. I hope it's clear to you, everybody. That's all for today. Bonne journée.